Becoming wealthy is not a mysterious process. It is a concrete science. Many people give up early out of boredom, or they mistake a temporary mistake for a dead end. Today, we are stripping away the filters of everyday life to reveal the true stages of wealth, from the suffocating struggle to ultimate liberation. This video isn't just motivation. It is the blueprint for your life. Somewhere in the middle of this video, I will reveal a stage called the invisible threshold. This is where most people fail, but it's also where the wealthy make their quantum leap. Stay tuned until the end, because in the final stage, I'll show you how to completely buy back your time. But first, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Stage 1. The survival phase, struggle and survival. This stage is incredibly difficult. This is where your cash flow is either equal to or less than what is going out. The psychology: your brain is in survival mode. Spending every day worrying about money drains your energy. The goal: to create a gap between your income and your expenses. The hard truth: only hard work and extreme discipline in saving will pull you out of this. This is where you begin to buy your freedom. Stage 2. The stability phase, the comfort trap. Now you can cover your expenses, and your bank account shows a balance. But there is a new snare: the comfort trap. The risk: as your income grows, you increase your lifestyle inflation. You buy a nice car, move into a better house, but you are still a slave to your job. The transition: at this stage, it is mandatory to start converting your income into assets, investments. Stage 3. The momentum phase, the invisible threshold. This is the magical stage. This is where the money you invested starts giving birth to more money. The compound effect: your investments start covering 25% or even 50% of your expenses. Now, you're not just working with your hands. You're working with a system. The shift: your focus shifts from active income to passive income. You are now using the power of leverage. Stage 4. The sovereignty phase, financial freedom. The final stage. At this point, work is a choice, not a necessity. Legacy building: you move from success, personal gain, to significance, impact on others. Ultimate wealth: your wealth grows faster while you sleep than while you are awake. Your time is entirely yours. You have become the master of your life. The turning point: the mental shift. Moving from stage 2 to stage 3 requires a massive mental shift. The skill stack: you transition from labor to high-value skills. By mastering skills like sales, investing, or coding, you can 10x your income. Leverage strategy: you stop using only your own time. You use OPM, other people's money, and technology, automation, to scale. Concept: asymmetric upside. Learning to take actions where the risk is small, but the potential reward is infinite. The middle class trap: having a high income alone won't make you wealthy. Ego spending: many people buy a car with a massive monthly payment as soon as their salary increases. This is financial suicide. Buying back time: the wealthy use money to buy time, e.g., hiring help, while the poor use their time to get money. The rule: until your passive income exceeds your living expenses, do not call yourself a millionaire. Until then, you are just a high-paid employee. The freedom architecture: financial freedom isn't just about having millions in the bank. The burn rate: your freedom depends on your burn rate, monthly expenses. If your expenses are low, you become free faster. Asset allocation: in the final stage, spread your wealth into 3 areas. 1. Safety, gold or cash. 2. Growth, stocks or real estate. And 3. Aggressive, crypto or startups. Concept: financial anti-fragility. Building a system so that even if the market crashes, your life doesn't. Conclusion: the Wealth Manifesto. Wealth is not a one-day decision. It is a daily action. In this journey from survival to sovereignty, your greatest tool is your mindset. Identify which stage you are currently in. Control your lifestyle inflation. Build your system. Tell me in the comments, which stage are you in right now? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Subscribe to become part of the Money Mindset family. Thank you.